Ito, what we're
Ah,
discussing is mutual fund. Para
okay.
itong, ang VUL kasi para siyang pinag-asawang life insurance and mutual
Investment.
funds.
Okay. Mutual fund.
Pinag-asawang dalawang yan, naging VUL, naging Variable Universal Life in the
Oh.
life insurance company. So,
Mm.
ang life insurance company can sell VUL, which is life with investment,
Mm.
while investment house is mutual fund lang. And the bank is UITF, Unit Investment Trust Fund. Yan yung
Okay.
tatlong magkaka-compete when it comes to
Mm.
that kind of investment.